Hey guys, we're going to talk to you in this video about our new piglets that were born, show you around the homestead as usual, so stay tuned to the Vincent Family Homestead. Alright guys, after about how many months ago was it we bought these pigs, and we thought that they were that we should be expecting a piglet from one of the pigs, and that never materialized. Well, today, or Saturday actually, we finally got our first little piglets. He's a proud daddy here who thinks I'm going to give him some food, which I'm not. And there behind him is one of the first little guys. See, they all take after dad. There's mom. There's a hay all over her back. See the little guys there. They were born Saturday night, so they're just maybe, see, a day or two old. So she actually had 6, and well, actually had 7. We have 6 that survived. She had 1 that didn't survive. So she gave birth first time to 7, and then 1 didn't survive. So she had 6 living so far. But these seem to be healthy. This is our first time with piglets at all. So new experience. They're fighting over food right now. That's awesome. Okay, so say hi, Hadassah. Hi. This is Hadassah. She wanted to make sure she was on the video today, so she can be a superstar of the video. Show them the feather you got. All right.
The turkey feather.
The turkey feather. That's right. So, as you can see here, basically I tried to pull this plastic house down so that she could get in the house, but so far they haven't wanted to get in there at all. It's probably because it's about 70 degrees in the middle of the night and humid as, you know, a boiling pot of water. So it's warm, but I took these hay bales out here and just put them on the ground and let her scatter them and make whatever she wanted to make out of them. And let's see if you can zoom in here. We'll show you. And you can see there, they're just burrowing down in there and making a little home. May rain tonight, so I'm not sure how they'll do with that, or if they'll try to get into the little house or get out of the rain, or how that'll work. But so far so good. Everybody seems to be up and about and healthy. She seems to be healthy. I hear her talking to them now. So the idea is, hopefully if it rains tonight, maybe they'll get inside that shelter and just stay dry. It's possible that they won't. They just stay out on the ground because it is, like I said, very hot, very humid this time of year around here. And I think even for piglets, it's fairly warm. So everybody's doing good. So yeah, let's see, she give you another pig shot here. Look at that, they're so cute. So she had her babies. We're expecting her sister pig, Mary Ann, over here to maybe have babies piglets within the next several weeks. I mean, the way we're figuring, she's definitely pregnant. She's not showing the signs that Mabel was yet, but she's definitely pregnant. And we're just not sure when she came into heat first. Obviously Mabel came in first. She's had hers, and so Marianne should, I'm thinking within the next week or so, be right behind her, and then we'll see what kind of numbers we have there. But so far, if you remember the video back, you remember that we put these pigs down here, what size they are and how big they are now. So back away. Back away. Back up just a little bit here. I'm listening. I'm following instructions. That's your babies. It's not mine.
Aww.
Definitely looking for the mama. I think she's trying to get everybody's position around where they don't get laid on.
Aww.
There we go.
So sweet. Go on the other side, baby. One little baby pig.
If you come over here, you can see all of them.
Mm-hmm. They're all eating except that one. Oh.
I didn't do that, you did that.
Oh.
She's actually fussing at the piglets and telling them where to get to.
She's like, over here.
She's talking to them. They're down there fighting and she's telling them.
Let me see if I can zoom out
For
there.
everybody, stop fighting.
There we go. We got one little straggler.
There we go,
Mommy.
Yeah. You see the babies eating? Meanwhile, Marianne's having a lovely mud bath. She's enjoying herself. She's like, I'm gonna be next. I might as well pamper myself. And Daddy Pig is doing what he does best. Eat.
Okay, Mommy.
You wanna see? See? The babies are eating. Mommy's giving them some milk.
I see.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Oh, let's not touch the camera. Let's zoom in a little bit more. Look at the babies. Aww. So sweet. Okay, let's zoom back out so we can get a look at what they're doing. Good job, Mabel, feeding her babies.
You can hear that light grunting sound. That's her talking to the little piglets. So
So don't forget to subscribe the video and comment down below what do you think. Bye.